Aloha and welcome to Eat and Be Eaten. It is May in Hawaii and that means lychee season. We are headed to the Lychee Festival in Hakalau. Hannah is going to play music there. There's going to be a lychee eating contest. You know anything else?
There's vendors, I know. There's other people playing music. I'm excited to see what it's all about because I've never been to a Lychee Festival before.
We're headed down the Hamakua coast to Hakalau and Botanical World Adventures, where you can do zip lining. That's where the festival is being held. Oh, here's lychees.
Hello.
Oh, lychee preserves.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
That's like mid-sugar and it's very sugary.
Ooh,
Yeah.
I
Wow.
How did you
Yeah.
like it? Yes, come help.
This
Okay.
one, this middle one is my favorite. These
Okay.
are lychee preserves. It's just we cook down the fruit and the juice essentially, and put pectin in it to kind of make it a little more jelly.
Okay, so
Yeah.
kind of like a jam.
Exactly. Very similar.
That no sugar.
Okay.
It still tastes like
So
there is sweet.
I know.
It tastes sweet.
We did not. So the original one was we made like the very sugary ones because we're like all preserved.
Wow, that is so smart.
Right? Thank you. Yeah, I mean it's better than like hundreds of pounds of food going to waste every day.
Yeah.
We produce a lot of waste.
That's delicious. Wow,
I know.
it's amazing.
Yeah,
You don't even need sugar. You don't even need sugar in it.
No, so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
It'd be so
amazing.
good on pancakes or like French toast.
Ooh,
or something.
there you go.
Ice cream too.
Mm.
Oh, ice cream. Oh.
Yes.
Most beautiful lychee was Healing Hearts Lychee.
Well, Michael said we'll be able to grab these two for the lychee.
Yeah, this is for one guest.
So we had
What are you gonna guess?
I'm gonna guess there are 115.
Really? Okay, 115. Not a bad guess.
Okay, there you go.
Now it's time for the main event at this festival, which is a lychee eating contest. After they're all done, they are going to weigh the leftover peels and pits and determine who ate the most that way.
Danny at 1.33. Kai at 1.43. And Abby at 1.49. Our winner is Allison. Yeah, you can give it to the cake. That's awesome. Welcome.
I'm sitting here pouring my heart out, feeling just like rain, hoping that the music takes away my pain, 'cause well oftentimes it does, and I can muster up a smile when the thoughts that turn to things made us happy for a while. But sometimes all the monsters in my head come.
You can catch more at our social media, so the information.
The number was 127. 4 people guessed 127.
So that was a wrap for the festival. Afterwards, we walked around the Botanical World Adventures grounds. It was pretty cool. They have a maze cut out, which you can walk through, and that's a lot of fun. Nice flowers and trees that are all labeled as well. And like I said earlier, you can do zip line through the forest here. So if you're on the big island of Hawaii, you want to check that out. That's Botanical World Adventures. And then we went down the road a few miles to Honomu and finished up our day at a swimming hole. Alright, if you like this video, you want to see more food content from Hawaii, give us a like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Aloha.